I just generated a video with Gemini. The result looks amazing, but there's one problem. It comes with a watermark in the corner.
Oh no!
In this video, I'll show you how to remove it easily.
In a warehouse in Chicago, the beat found its people, and house music was born.
First, open AVCLabs Video Blur AI. Import the Gemini-generated video you just created. Next, select Fixed Blur from the available options. Change the blur mode from blur to remove. Then move the mask over the Gemini Watermark area and adjust the size until it completely covers the watermark. Click the button in the bottom left corner to switch to preview mode, then play the video to check the result. Once you're satisfied with the effect, click the Export Video button in the top right corner to export your video. And that's it! The Gemini watermark has been completely removed from your video. You can also customize the output settings, including the video format, bitrate, encoder, and export location. You can even choose whether to remove the video's audio. Finally, click Apply and wait for the video to be processed. As you can see, the watermark removal result is clean and seamless. AVCLabs Video Blur AI can effectively remove both static and moving watermarks. For dynamic watermarks, simply switch to the tracking mode and let the AI automatically follow and remove the watermark throughout the video. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe to us for more video editing tutorials.